In today's video, I want to talk about the number one tool that I've ever used for my business. This is the one tool that I think every business owner should learn and actually implement into the business because it's going to make you a way better entrepreneur and without a doubt, grow your business to the next level. Um, this tool is called GoHighLevel, aka high level, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I use this for all of my businesses. Every single business that I will create in the future is going to be run on this platform. You might be wondering like what high level actually is. So let me actually show you guys kind of what it is. So we're going to do a screen share right now. Okay. Okay, so if you guys click on the link down below, it's going to take you to this page. This is my high level page where you guys can sign up, right? And when you sign up using this particular page, it might look a little bit different depending on when you're watching this. You're going to get all of my bonuses. We'll talk more about that later on, but you're essentially getting like $15,000 of bonuses just for signing up through my link. So we give a ton of incentives. But let's talk about like what high level actually is. It's kind of hard to describe exactly what high level is, but think of it as a platform that is like the foundation of your business. It's a platform that basically runs your entire business. So if you want to, this is a great way to look at it. It's going to essentially replace like dozens of different tools. So it's a CRM and it has pipeline management. So if you deal with clients, high level does it, right? It allows you to build sales funnels. It has a built-in website builder, so you don't need to have any other website software. You can create surveys and forms. You can do all your email marketing within high level. So sending out email campaigns, one-off emails, whatever. They have a ton of templates as well. You can do SMS marketing. If you're booking appointments for you or your team, that can all be done within high level. They have calendar integrations. You can create different workflow automations. You can also host and create your courses on high level. Call tracking, reputation management, right? Getting reviews for your business, tons of tracking and analytics. If you want to host a community, you can also host it through high level. Document signing, right? It replaces DocuSign. And yeah, it's crazy how much stuff this can do. You can sort of think of it as HubSpot or Notion, but on steroids. And yeah, I just think like price wise, it just makes so much sense, right? If you're going to invest, if you're going to subscribe to all these different things to get all these functionalities, you might as well just have high level and they can literally do everything. Now, some of these more specific tools are going to be better than the high level function, right? But overall, for most business owners, high level does all these things perfectly fine. It's very, very rare where I'd look in someone's business and be like, oh, okay, so you should actually use all these tools separately. I know for us, we use high level for pretty much all the functionality that it has, and it's really, really good. Plus, they're always growing, they're always making stuff better, and that's why I love it. In terms of the pricing, there's a starter, unlimited, and the agency pro plan. So it starts at $97 per month. Unlimited plan is $297. Agency pro is $497. Most of you guys will not need the agency pro plan. In fact, most of you guys also probably won't need the unlimited plan at the start. The starter plan should be good enough for a lot of you watching this. You get all the functionality. The only thing is unlimited allows you to create unlimited sub accounts. So if you're an agency, let's say you're a website agency, you want to create websites for your clients, you can create a new sub account for each of your clients. And let's say you have 500 different clients, right? you can have 500 different sub accounts within this one plan for $297 and build all the websites and all those individual sub accounts. It's crazy. You also get some other stuff. I'm not going to talk about it too much. But if you only need 3 accounts, then the starter account is good enough. If you need, actually, I'm not going to talk about SaaS mode because I think it gets too technical, and most of you guys aren't going to need this. So yeah, starter plan or unlimited plan. For this price to have the software that can literally build a 7, 8, 9-figure business, it's insane. And like I said, you get all my bonuses when you sign up using this link. So let's go over some of those. You get my snapshot, which includes all the different like templates and automations and things that I use within my businesses. So right there, it saves you so much time, right? You can copy and paste parts of my business within your own business. Also, we'll give you a bunch of different funnel and landing page templates that you guys can just replace the text, replace some logos, and you have a really high converting funnel or landing page. You also get access to my high-level community on School. So we post there all the time. We have live Q&A calls. We have all these calls are recorded. So tons and tons of value there. It's only for people that sign up through my link. We also have a bunch of different monthly bonuses that we send out. So more free automations, templates, stuff like that. And like I mentioned, coaching calls, we have those within our community. And yeah, it just doesn't, like if you're thinking about signing up for High Level and you're thinking, should I sign up through Charlie or should I sign up just through High Level? It makes, it just makes so much sense to sign up through my link. It doesn't make sense to sign up directly through High Level ever, basically, because you're going to get a ton of different perks from creators like me. I literally work directly with High Level to create a lot of these different things. I invest a lot of money into it too. So I just really want you guys to have access to that stuff when you sign up for High Level. Now, I want to give you guys a peek into what High Level looks like. So this is one of my demo accounts. I have full tutorials on my main channel as well that you guys can watch to basically show you guys all the different functionality. But if you actually use all these different things, it's going to skyrocket your business because it's going to turn your business from something that you need to manage to a really well-oiled machine full of automations, like emails, email campaigns, really like high converting landing pages and websites, calendar functionality. Everything within my businesses is handled here in High Level through basically this, right? So for example, instead of using Calendly, just use the High Level calendar feature. It's really powerful, and you can create different calendars for different people. If you have different clients or different leads that come in through different forms, you can build those forms in High Level. You'll see all your different contacts here in the contact section. You can accept payments as well. So I'm going to try not to show too much since there might be a little bit of sensitive information even in this demo account, but you can do all your invoicing through High Level. You can do all your documents and contracts and signing stuff through here. Take payment for subscriptions, send out payment links. Essentially any type of software for business you can think of, they likely can do it within High Level. They've probably built it out within this all-in-one platform. And then if you also look at automation, and yeah, like I said, if you guys want a more detailed overview of all the different function stuff that you can do within High Level, just check out one of the videos on my main channel. I dive pretty deep into them. But you can build automations that run on their own. So for example, let's say someone downloads a PDF freebie from your landing page that you built in High Level through a form that you also built within High Level. They submit their information, right? It gets automatically sent to them. You build out the automation. You create some type of tag that tags them as, oh, this person got this freebie. Then they enter it into your contacts, right? And you can basically see all their information. You can put them into different groups. You can put them into different automations. You can set different emails to go out to them. You can put them into different workflows. There's so much stuff that you guys can do within High Level to automate stuff within your business. And I think a lot of people, especially newer business owners, they don't think like this, right? And so having all this functionality in one place really forces you to think like a systems person, think like a CEO, because your goal is to build a business that can self-sustain, doesn't need you there to run. And the reason why my business is run without me, one huge reason is because I use High Level. Now, I could probably just ramble on and on about like all the different things that you guys can do in High Level, but I just want to make this video to give you guys an intro to it. This is a really, really amazing platform. They're not paying me to make this video, by the way, but if you do sign up using my link, I do get a commission. So hopefully you guys can see the win-win where like, yes, I get a commission, but you guys get all of those freebies. They're not paying me to make this video outside of that. And I just really wanted to make a video where I showcase my love for this software. It's really helped me out as an entrepreneur. It's helped me build better businesses. Like for example, my overseas recruiting company Paired, it's all built on High Level. High Level runs everything. And if you looked at the inside of our High Level for that account, it's insane the amount of like automations and things that we have set. So highly, highly recommend checking the software out. If you haven't heard about them already, you've heard it from me. I think almost every business owner should be using this. It's going to help you grow your business, help you become a better entrepreneur. And yeah, hopefully you guys got some value from this video. I'll have the link to High Level down below. And yeah, play around with it. There's a trial. You get a 30-day trial with my link, which is not a public trial. You only get that through like my link. So test it out, build your website, get some quick wins, see how it transforms your business. And I'm pretty sure you guys are going to fall in love with it. That's it for this video. Hopefully you guys got some value, and see you in the next one.